What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna come out with another video. Hey man, say man, look, hoodie Mal in the building. No haircut Mal in the building. Water jug Mal in the building. You already know what's going on, right? So look, I mean some questions like first I'm gonna talk about like what's the best way to twist your hair. A lot of people ask me when did I twist my hair. It's just a lot of questions. Hey yo, comment down below. Should I create like a Discord chat? I think I'm gonna create a Discord chat. Probably have to pay like a monthly fee to get into it and to stay into it and stuff like that, because there's just so many questions out there, bro, that I feel like people ask me, and I feel like just creating like a community type situation where everybody can ask me one questions on one platform, you know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of seeing that vision. I'm seeing some more visions too of me retwisting my own hair. I ain't never thought I was gonna like retwist my own hair. If you would have told me this like a month or two back, I would have told me I ain't never retwisted my own hair. I'm about to start getting better at cutting my own hair too. So man, look, it's really time to upgrade, you know what I'm saying? It's really time to step up my game, you feel me? But to answer the question on the best way to retwist your hair, it depends on how you got your hair. First off, it depends on, you said retwist, right? So when you say retwist, right, that means you already got your hair twisted one time, correct? Because if I'm not mistaken, re means again, right? So retwist, the best way to retwist your hair is the best way to retwist your hair is to retwist it the first, like retwist it how you did it the first time, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a retwist. So if I retwisted with a comb the first time, retwist it with a comb. If I retwisted it with my palm, retwist it with your palm, you know what I'm saying? So the best way to retwist your hair is to go with the same pattern that you twisted it in the first place with, you know what I'm saying? So that's like a person really switching up the way. No, it ain't, because I was about to say it's like a person switching up the way he combed his hair, that he got waves now, but it's really not, because with dreads, bro, you can switch up your style anytime you want. Like I can really go combine my dreadlocks right now, you know what I'm saying? I can make 2 into 1 dreadlock, you feel me? It'll make my dreadlocks look thicker and stuff like that, but it'll still, you still got dreads at the end of the day. Like if you start brushing your pattern the wrong way and you got waves, you pretty much ain't gonna have waves no more. You probably gonna have waves, but it ain't gonna be like 360. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna be 360 waves. It's gonna be something else, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's gonna be something like that. So but yeah, the best way to retwist your hair is to get it twisted how you did it the first time. You dig what I'm saying? So make sure y'all doing that. Any questions that y'all got down below, make sure I ask them. I know another person said, when do, it be a whole bunch of questions. Like my DMs is currently, like y'all keep asking me questions. I gotta find some type of community chat, some type of Discord chat, something like that, where we all in one location and y'all asking me all these questions, because it's cool for y'all to send me DMs, this and that and the third, but when I tell y'all, bro, I literally get a question every single day, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's why I can make so many videos, and that's why I got so many titles for the videos, because niggas be asking me questions every day. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, another question is, when do you twist your hair? All right, so you got an afro, and when do you twist your hair? I would twist my hair, if I was in an afro stage, I would twist my hair in like a year. You know what I'm saying? So I'll grow my afro out for like a year straight. You feel me? Because 6 months of afro, that ain't too tall. You know what I'm saying? That ain't too tall, and your twist ain't gonna be that long. Because you gotta understand, bro, when you get your hair retwisted, right, your hair gonna shrink up. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like, it's like you ain't even gonna have an afro no more. You feel me? Like I always tell y'all, bro, this ain't even really my hair length. You get what I'm saying? Like, first off, it's in a 2-strand twist. If I take it out the 2-strand twist, my dreads probably come down to like right here or something like that, right? But if I take it out, if I probably take it out the dread form, I don't know about combing it or nothing, because when you comb it, you're gonna lose a lot of hair. Not a lot of hair, but you're gonna lose a good amount of hair. But if I take it out of dread form somehow and keep my hair, it'll probably be down here. You know what I'm saying? If I pull on it, it'll probably be down here. You feel me? No cap. I'm not capping to y'all. I'm being dead for real. And the thing with this is because like I just told y'all, it dropped your hair. Hey, but I need an idea. Okay, I need somebody in the comment section right now. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. But I need somebody in the comment section right now. Tell me what do I need to come up with a Discord chat? I really didn't try. I didn't try to do the what's it called? But I didn't try to do the Patreon stuff. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't really feeling it, but I feel like with a Discord chat or something like that, I need some type of chat. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I ain't about to make no OnlyFans for dreads. That might be smart, but I don't know. I need something though. I need something. So make sure I comment something down below. I'm gonna catch y'all for later. I need to make this second video for y'all so I can put out 3 videos a day. We're not gonna stop this time. The last time I did this was like a week ago, and we stopped doing it. But it's over with now. You feel me? So we about to do this, and I'm gonna catch y'all for later, bro. Peace.